Snohomish County, Washington's new SVI Air Light Rehab truck. It's on a Spartan Gladiator as well, LFD. Looks like a 20-inch raised roof. Got a command light CL615 up on the roof. We got two pretty sizable awnings here. In the first compartment, just have a tray with a divider, some flashlights, and then back here the 12-volt panel. Here we've got an electric reel, the light tower controls, the fill station controls and all that stuff. Got a Scott Revolve Air fill station, so it can put 2 bottles on this side and then flip the 2 that you just filled, take those off. It's got a Bauer BP25 air compressor here with two ASME bottles on either side. You can kind of see them right there. SCBA storage in the fenders. SCBA storage here in this back compartment for, let's see, quite a few bottles. Got a rear stairway with compartment storage here. Up here you got upper body storage. You can see that awning over there. It's also got one on the other side. There's the upper body compartments and the light tower. On the other side here, got an electric reel, high pressure air reel, some adjustable shelving, 400-pound tray. This is the other side of the air compressor with the 120 panel. Some more ASMEs here. More CVA storage and fender. 1,000-pound tray. 400-pound tray. And then this is the other side of the transverse tray on the other side. Got your cab tilt controls and the awning controls there as well. You can see how much shade and space that awning gives you. In the back of the cab here, we've got some compartments here, some cabinets, refrigerator, some mat box storage and stuff here. Back here we got some flip up cabinets, and they also slide. Some rehab seat storage, and storage is underneath these. So you got some junction boxes and stuff there. So that's Snohomish County, Washington's new SVI Air Light and Rehab truck. Hope you enjoyed it.